Hi, it's Heidi with Nest Pretty, and I am here to talk about packing for a trip of any length and how having a capsule wardrobe, and even better, a 10-piece wardrobe, makes packing a breeze. Because if you have a 10-piece wardrobe, you basically have everything you need for a trip of any length. The only caveat is where you're going and what the temperatures are going to be like, what your activities are going to be like. Um, those are the things that you'll have to keep in mind. And depending on where you're going and what you'll be doing, you may have to dip into other capsule or 10-piece wardrobes for different seasons. So I love to pack for a trip of any length inside of a carry-on suitcase. And 10 pieces is all you need. You may need a few extras, just like you do in everyday life, like a sweater, a scarf, exercise clothing, loungewear, bathing suits. Those are all extra things that don't count into your 10 pieces. So I like to view extra pieces as items that you wouldn't wear all day long. They may be like a transition piece that moves you from daytime into evening, like a scarf or a sweater or a jacket. Or loungewear that it's you're just trying to relax, but it's not quite time for bed yet. Transition pieces. Also exercise wear. You're not going to wear that all day long. Also a bathing suit. You're not going to wear that all day. So those I view as extra pieces. So your 10 core pieces that you would pack for a trip of any length is going to depend on the temperature and the activities that you will be engaged in. And you may actually have to get some new pieces for whatever trip you're going on. But you probably, no doubt, have everything you need inside of your closet, and you can just shop your closet. So I have to say that ever since I went to a capsule wardrobe, but more so the 10-piece wardrobe, packing for a trip of any length has been a no-brainer. It has been so easy because I have everything hanging there that I already love, that I know fits me, and it's just a matter of packing what I need, pulling everything out. And so if you see my packing for a trip of any length, it's basically just a capsule that lays out on my bed. Everything is blue and white, just like my 10-piece wardrobe, just like my capsule wardrobe. So that's just another reason why doing a capsule in your wardrobe is brilliant, because it makes packing a breeze. I do talk about it on the blog this week, and in the past, packing, I hated it so much. I would drag it out, and it was really a source of angst. It would make me not want to go anywhere. It makes it so easy. It's basically pulling it out, folding it gorgeously, and putting it into your packing cubes, which I love packing cubes because it keeps everything neat and tidy. And it just makes it a breeze, makes it wonderful. So if you have been wavering and wondering, should I try a 10-piece wardrobe? I'm just saying, it's so fantastic. Now we are into June, and it's time for me to get a new 10-piece wardrobe. And I'm still thinking about it and still deciding on how I want to go about it. I have decided that my primary color is going to be white and navy blue, but I'm going to focus more on white since we're moving into the heat of summer, which is my favorite time of year. But I just do want to make a public service announcement. If you have decided that your foundational colors are any color that is neon, neon yellow, hot pink, neon green, this is your time. I walked into Target the other day and it's everywhere. So this is what I have found for me. Like I have found that like a eggplant is a really good color for me, like in the jewel tone. But you don't see it every season. You don't see it every year. So if you have decided on a foundational color or even an accent color that you know looks really good with your skin tone, and it's not easy to find, just be patient because your year will come. When it comes, just be ready. Save your little pennies because then you can just get all the things in that color that is fantastic for you, and you just have to be ready for it. Because I know, like, sometimes it's really hard to find navy blue shoes. So when you find them, when that year comes, you have to be ready. This is Heidi with Nest Pretty. Head over to the blog, check it out. It's just another reason to do a capsule wardrobe. It makes packing a breeze. So I hope you all have a lovely day and get ready because it's the summertime and it's time to change into a new capsule wardrobe. So if you are ready to try an experiment, I highly recommend the summer months to do a 10-piece wardrobe. Have a great day. Bye.